Due to a hectic schedule, working professionals often miss out on essential health-related activities such as exercise and eating proper meals. Long working hours can be a stressful experience and can lead to issues such as backache, neck pain, muscle stiffness, and joint issues. This can take a toll on mental and physical health, thereby affecting workplace productivity. So, if you are in the office but feeling tired, stressed, or out of focus instead of working, a Y-Break can be very useful for you. Y-Break or Yoga Break is an app that can help you freshen up, de-stress at work, and regain focus on work. Let's understand what is Y-Break app and how it can be used. The Y-Break app was launched by Ministry of Ayush on September 1, 2021 as a part of series of week-long activities and campaigns to commemorate Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. The Y-Break app aims at benefiting all office goers including government and private sector employees. It is available on Android and iOS platforms in two languages, Hindi and English. After opening the app, first you have to register on the page in which you will have your age, number, etc. to be filled. Once registered on this app, a page with 5 yoga practices will be displayed. The duration of the practices ranges from 0.45 minutes to 1.2 minutes. One tap on the practice mode option given in the lower right corner and begin with the 5-minute protocol. The yoga protocol in the Y-Break application comprises of a few simple yogic practices. The purpose of the Y-Break app released by the Ministry of Ayush is that employees can take minutes yoga breaks while at workplace. These yogas have been given in the app, which you can easily do in 5 minutes. So taking time out of your 15 minutes tea break, a 5-minute yoga break can refresh you for the whole day.